Namaskar. Welcome to our channel. Somvati Amavasya is an auspicious day in the Hindu calendar that occurs when a new moon falls on a Monday. It is considered a highly significant day for performing certain religious rituals and seeking blessings. Monday is considered a sacred day in Hinduism, dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is believed that offering prayers and performing certain rituals on this day can help one attain spiritual growth and overcome obstacles. Amavasya is the day of the new moon, when the moon is not visible in the sky. It is believed to be a powerful time for spiritual practices, including meditation, prayers, and offering of charity. Amavasya is also associated with the Pitra Paksh, a period of ancestral worship in Hinduism. Somvati Amavasya is considered to be a highly auspicious combination of two significant events in the Hindu calendar, Monday and Amavasya. It is believed that performing certain rituals and offerings on this day can help one receive the blessings of Lord Shiva and one's ancestors. It is believed that observing Somvati Amavasya with devotion and faith can bring several benefits, including spiritual growth, peace, prosperity, and protection from negative energies and evil forces. In Hinduism, Amavasya is considered an auspicious day for performing certain remedies or rituals to appease ancestors and seek their blessings. Here are some Amavasya remedies that you can follow. Performing Tarpan. Tarpan is a ritual of offering water to ancestors to seek their blessings and forgiveness. On Amavasya, you can perform Tarpan by offering water mixed with black sesame seeds and flowers to ancestors. This ritual is believed to help remove negative energies and bring peace to the family. Fasting. Fasting on Amavasya is considered an effective way to please ancestors and seek their blessings. You can observe a fast by abstaining from food and water or by having only fruits and milk. Fasting is believed to help purify the mind and body and gain spiritual benefits. Lighting diyas. Lighting diyas or lamps on Amavasya is considered an important remedy to ward off negative energies and bring positivity to the house. You can light diyas with sesame oil and offer prayers to the ancestors. Charity on Amavasya. Performing charity or donating food, clothes, or money to the needy is considered a virtuous act. It is believed to bring blessings from the ancestors and help gain spiritual merit. Meditation and chanting. Amavasya is considered an auspicious day for meditation and chanting. You can meditate or chant mantras to seek blessings from the ancestors and gain inner peace. There are some salt remedies that can be performed on Amavasya to ward off negative energies and seek blessings. Salt water bath. Taking a bath with salt water on Amavasya is believed to help cleanse the body and ward off negative energies. To do this, dissolve some rock salt or sea salt in warm water and take a bath with it. Salt scrub. You can also perform a salt scrub on Amavasya to remove negative energies and bring positivity to your body. To do this, mix some rock salt with a few drops of essential oil and scrub your body gently with it. This is believed to help remove toxins and negative energies from the body. Salt water cleanse. A salt water cleanse on Amavasya is believed to help purify the home and ward off negative energies. To do this, dissolve some rock salt in water and sprinkle it in all corners of the house. You can also add a few drops of essential oils to the water for added benefits. Salt lamps. Salt lamps are believed to have a purifying effect on the atmosphere and can be used to ward off negative energies. You can light salt lamps on Amavasya and place them in different rooms of your house to purify the air and bring positive vibes. To get rid of negative energy, throw a handful of salt in the north direction. To receive blessings from your ancestors, light a lamp in the south direction. These are some important remedies that you can do on the occasion of Amavasya to receive blessings from Lord Shiva. I hope you found this information useful. Please like our video and write Om Namah Shivaya in the comments to receive blessings from Lord Shiva. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more spiritual videos. Thank you for watching.